Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power. Unplug the dock from the wall and switch the dock off if it has a rocker. Once done, lift the machine off the dock so the charger housing is fully exposed. You want clear access to the plug and any retention clip. This prevents accidental shorting or damage. Make sure your hands are dry and you have good light. Now position yourself so you can see the connector and the tab that holds the charger in place. You press the retention tab and hold it down while you apply steady, straight pull on the charger. The why is simple. Angled force bends contacts. Once the tab is depressed, pull the plug directly away from the dock. Do not pry at an angle. If the clip is stiff, use a flat plastic tool to nudge the tab, then pull. Metal tools can damage plastic latches. Make sure you feel the connector disengage before increasing force so nothing snaps. You finish by inspecting the charger and dock connector for bent pins, debris, or melted plastic. Cleaning with compressed air or a soft brush prevents future faults. Once clean, route the cable so it won't snag and secure it with a tie. This reduces stress on the connector. If the charger won't come free, make sure the release tab is fully depressed. Wiggle gently while pulling straight, and stop if you feel resistance. Damage means replace the charger or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.